I'm back in the kitchen again. Hey, it's Polly, and I'm doing this because a friend asked me to. A while ago, I had gifted her a Japanese condiment called Gomasio. Gesundheit? No, Gomasio. And it is made from toasted sesame seeds with just a little bit of sea salt added. And it's so good over vegetables or grains or noodles or anything like that. So I just thought I'd share with you how to do it. You start with unhulled raw sesame seeds. Just put it on the stove top in a pan, in a skillet, and you just shake it, you stir it, you watch it carefully over medium heat as it gets a little toastier, gets more aromatic, and you can see a little bit of the smoke rise sometimes, so you keep stirring or tossing it. And you know when they're done because you can take a little pinch of it, careful, it's hot, and roll it between your fingers. If it busts up into a powder, then you know the seeds are toasted enough. From there, what you do, I have a half a cup of sunflower seeds that I've toasted here. And all you do for the half a cup is add a half a teaspoon of sea salt to the mix. So very little, but it's wonderful. That's why it's a nice substitute for salt and pepper, if you want to do that at your table. And all you do is pulse blend. Like I said, you want about 50% of the seeds busted up. Taking a peek, and oh, that aroma is so good. That looks good to me. It doesn't take much. I have done this recipe for years. When my kids were little, they loved helping me. Now, the traditional way, instead of a blender, just to share a fun little fact, is this beautiful ceramic bowl that has gradations, striations in here, grooves in here, let me call it that. And then you get a pestle, and then you just slowly grind clockwise, counterclockwise, until they are, ground up enough. And so, as you can see, my youngest son, Sam, loved that task. I think that's so adorable. So this has been a favorite forever. And like I said, serve it over green beans, asparagus, broccoli, kale, brown rice, white rice, noodles, udon, you name it. It is so delicious. Or, as I've done when no one's watching, and I won't do it right now, right out of the spoon. Oh my goodness, it's so good. Try Gomasio. High protein, high fiber, high minerals, and just texturally delightful. See you next time.